Hello, second graders. Today we are going to be using our information that we learned about habitats, and you are going to create a slide that shows an animal and what it needs in its habitat. So what you're going to do is on your Google Classroom link that says Habitats assignment, you're going to click that and it'll bring you straight to this presentation that I have right here. Now on this first slide here, you're going to see that it says food, water, shelter, space, which is what we already have talked about, being the 4 needs of an animal in its habitat. So you are going to create that habitat example on a slide. Here is my example that I already made for my dolphin. It has food, which it eats squids and fish. It has water, which also has a lot of space in the ocean. And shelter, which would be this area down here, which is a seaweedy, grassy area. So that is how I would represent a dolphin's habitat. Let me show you, now that you've seen an example, let me show you how to make an extra slide. Now it's very important that you do not touch anyone else's slides during this time. You only create your own slide and edit your own. So, to create your slide onto our classroom slideshow, I want you to go up to this plus button right here, that plus sign, and then it should say new slide when you slide your mouse over it. You're going to click the add button and it's going to add a blank space for you. The first thing I want you to do is go over to the text box button, click on the slide, and then type in your name. So I'm going to say Mrs. Engel. Then I'm going to put a dash, habitat, slide. All right, I'm going to move that up here, and I'm not going to worry about changing the text size or anything just yet. So I'm going to first choose an animal. So for example, an animal that I might choose could be a bear. Okay, so I'm going to do a bear. I am going to add a picture of a bear. So first, I need to go up and click on this little picture that looks like it has mountains on it. I'm going to click Insert Image. Then I'm going to go to Search the Web. From here, I'm going to type in bear. All right, look, there's all sorts of different kinds of bears. I want to do more like a brown bear. And I'm going to click down here and click Insert. And what I really like about this page, this picture that I found, is look, it already has part of the bear's habitat in the photo. So I have 2 things. So maybe I forgot what I need besides for the animal. I can always refer back to that first slide. Food, water, shelter, space. Okay, well we see down here that we already put what water was needed. Now we need that the water was around the bear in a pond or whatever water source is around them. Now I need to put food. Well, from my previous research, I had found out that the animal, a bear, likes to eat fish. So I'm going to go back up to this button, search the web, and type in fish. Then I'll click it and insert it. And I'm going to continue doing that with the rest of the things I would need. I would put for a shelter, I would put a picture of a cave. For space, I would choose the photo here because it shows that the bear is in an environment that is not confined. And then after I'm finished, I can always rearrange the pictures, select the text, and slide my mouse over and change the font, make it a different size, and do all sorts of fun things. Then, when I'm completely done, all I have to do is X out, because you see up here, it says all changes saved in Drive. So it automatically saves. There's nothing else you have to do. And that is how you create a Google slide specifically for a habitat. Have fun!